It's your boy KIRS, baby. Yeah.
Bobby was
What's up?
the black one.
I bought a bunch of shit for s'mores.
By any chance 거기 우리 오빠 스웨터 안 나?
Yeah,
I don't know. I'll check it. I'll
It's
check
like a
for it.
navy blue.
오늘은 유튜브 찍지 말아야겠어요, 여러분. 여러분 다음에 뵐게요. 이 얼굴 못 보여드리겠어요.
Hi.
제 채널도 와주세요.
네, 얘 채널 구독해 주세요.
구독.
That means to like subscribe, right?
That means to lock somebody up.
Oops. 구독해 주세요. 구속은 말고. Take two. 여러분 좋은 아침이에요. Memorial Day. It's so beautiful out here. It's a beautiful morning on a Monday afternoon.
어우, 씨부랄.
But do you know how to go to Gangsa? Put it in. Give me your phone. I'll put it in for you.
오빠가 쏘는 거야?
얼마?
You know what I need? A watermelon.
왜 나만 쓰는 거 같다?
I need a watermelon. 그러니까 문제는 우리는 다 쌌는데 여기서 안 싼 사람이 있어.
얘 아닌가? 분명히?
손가락질 하지 마. 그거는 예의 없는 거. 이런 거는 얘기할 수 있어. 자 여러분 우리 다 친구잖아요. You know, like it all has to do with like trust, generosity.
Yes.
You know, showing love through spending money on your friends. You know,
Amen.
so we all be pitching in a little bit. You know, Oppa, he be pitching in. Chris. He be pitching in, 언니 pitched in, but then there's one person.
야.
이 사람이 잘 알 거야. 근데 어이없네 진짜. 지금 쏜다는데 우리 지금 8불짜리 설렁탕 먹으러 가거든요. 자,
8분.
우리가 이렇게 사는 게 많이 힘들어요. 도와주세요. 구독 버튼 눌러서 아니요. 구독 버튼. subscribe. 구독. 오케이? 친구 도와주세요. 돈도 없는데 맨날 쓰고 있어. 얘가 8불짜리 설렁탕 같은 거만 말해.
언니하고 오빠들 있는데.
여기 미국이라고 얘기했는데 분명히 아까
맞아.
자꾸 오빠 형 그리고 오빠라고 하지 말라 그랬지 내가. 형이라고 하라고 했지 내가.
아니 왜?
제발
자 이렇게
카드 한 번만
보죠.
뽑자.
이렇게라도 제가 애틋하게 발 마사지 한 번이라도 받고 싶어가지고 45불밖에 안 했대. 동생아 카메라 보고 빨리
No, you're both in the
얘기해줘.
shot, though.
빨리 얘기해줘 카메라 보고. 할 거야 안 할 거야? 내 팔 왜 이래? 여러분 저 원래 이렇게 이렇게 보이는데. 아씨
튼튼하죠?
근육이에요 이거.
다 근육이야.
동생.
쏜다고 쏘아.
근데 오빠 다리에 이렇게 팔 올려놔도 되는 건가?
굉장히 불편해. 굉장히 불편해.
진짜.
이게 가벼우면 괜찮은데 또 무거워가지고 더
그쵸.
힘들어.
그래서 나 피해주면서 살면 안 돼 동생아. 우리가 뭐 좀 가르쳐주지 않았나?
야.
아니
얘 대가리가 변는데 네가 뭐 도와줬냐? 그치? 네가 돈 아파.
Who are you Russian?
이쁜이 다시 왔어요. 오늘은 점심 메뉴는
간장입니다.
따라라란따란 강서 설렁탕이에요.
Coors Light? Yeah. Do you want Terra or Coors Light? Do you want Coors Light or Terra? But
여러분 잠깐 끌게요. 여기 나와서.
오케이 껐어? 엎드려 뻗쳐. 내가 공공장소에서 똑바로 하라고 했지.
너무 맛이 없어.
Did you see that? Look, am I a trash can?
Oh, but do I look different without makeup?
Yeah, you look young.
We all got our own personals.
맛있어?
Chris, let me have your.
They said they make their own sundae. I really want to try this.
What's this sauce?
Is this gorgeous?
너무 잘 나오네.
Why do you wear this?
너가 해줘.
이거 하나도 돈 안 받는
혹시
거.
이거 꺼져 있는 거죠? 꺼져 있나요?
아 켜져 있어요.
그럼 저가 좀
네.
지금 끌게요 이모. 이거는 낙지볶음이고요. 이거는 순대볶음이에요. Look at this. 언니 여기 이 색감 한번 봐주세요.
너무 맛있겠다.
이 색깔이 말하는데 이 색깔을. They say that all the time. I'm sorry, were you tolerating that? Yeah.
모든 탱.
너 한번 먹여줄게.
혼자
Go to Home Depot, right?
Yeah, Home Depot, son.
Remember I asked you to marry me like many times and you
Yeah, and I denied every time.
But he didn't answer. But I even said like, Oppa, if you become 50 and you're still not married, would you marry me? 근데 50야. You don't have time to be girl. I'm already coming to you.
She has like 10 million.
네, 진짜.
100
10
million.
million?
Yeah.
100 million.
Like seriously. $100 million? I'll marry you. I'll marry you. I'll marry you.
You got $100 million?
$50 million. $100 million, Chris. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. $50 million, bro. Oh, but you gotta tell the camera how much money you have. What's the minimum? What's the minimum?
$100 million.
100 million. 100 million.
So, Ann, 꿈을
No, hold on.
You think that if I won $100
20,
million, just I would ask you to marry me?
Yeah, because
Come
you're
on
still
now,
gonna be
bro.
alone.
Come on,
bruh.
Come here, little youngin',
Come on, bro. Ain't no money gonna get you married,
Guys be
bruh.
flocking. They want to smell.
It's
they
either
wanna,
me or
they
you
wanna sleep
alone,
on my
bro.
bed.
It's me or nothing. We gotta get 불닭볶음면.
Hey, that's our dinner today. We gotta go to
불닭볶음면.
Hanshin.
No one listens to me, yo. That's so messed up. You know what I mean? Like,
Don't you think Chris should try their food? It's so
Who?
good.
I don't want to go to 한신포차. 한신포차 가고 싶어? See? We don't want to go. I told you our plans. We're gonna do campfire and chill. Hold on, 가자. Let's go. Hey, Mike.
Chill.
You're coming with us and y'all over there. Yeah. Peace out, yo. Man, all up on us all the time. Bounce. You get it? Bounce. Yo, where we going?
아 이거 차 여기.
Oh.
Yep. My kimchi sundubujigae,
어.
$11.
At your restaurant?
right now.
It's a very good price. Everybody's telling me to raise it to 14 because everybody else was 14, 15.
There's no reason not to because it's gonna make the other other store.
Not only that, it's just I still make good profit off of that. So why I gotta
Yeah,
worry about guys? You
I
know?
feel you.
Everybody when they charge that price, they know they're ripping off us.
Yeah, you're just trying to be a good person.
I mean, I just want to make just as much so that they can keep on coming back. That's how I was. That's how I stayed in business for 12 years. You know.
Oh, he put it right in the shade right there. Look at that.
Hey, 하봉이.
What are you in centimeters? 190 what?
191?
어,
191?
191, 192.
Damn. Wow, you make the car look small, man.
Yeah, 191.
He makes the car look small as hell, yo. Like it's a Mini Cooper now. You weigh like what?
Your
Right now is the heaviest I've ever been, man. I'm at 285.
285?
Yeah.
That's you're like two of me, huh?
I'm big, man. I'm like I gained like 60 pounds since I quit working.
I'm telling you, if he falls on us, we're gonna suffocate.
Gaining weight, man.
Oh, look at this dog, so cute. Look at his butt right here. He's just trying to get up there.
Good boy.
So cute.
You saw him jump out that.
Yeah, I missed
He
it.
jumped straight up. Those guys like he thought he was a Jack Russell for a second.
Yeah.
Hey,
가만히.
Maybe we put him in here. Look at that. Better. Stay.
Okay, nice.
Stay.
기분이 잘하네.
Yeah, I had a lot of kind of. Stay. Excuse me. You know where I can go find some firewood?
See that corner right there before the door?
Uh-huh.
It should be somewhere over there.
Alright.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Bong bong bong, bong bong bong. Bong. So cute.
Red shovel fun too. I got it right now. I'm gonna find that right now. It should be right around here actually. Right here, charcoal grill.
Oh, it's right here in front of us, dude. Right there. Right there.
Oh my god, those guys just stopped me, man. I felt so stupid. How much I live there,
No, 2. Today and tomorrow. I would go, but I'm occupied right now.
I got you. This is gonna light good.
Yeah, right?
That's good.
Nice. So comfy right there. Look at you.
He looked like he hit the spot right here. Where's Tommy?
Oh, you went to the bathroom.
Oh, bathroom.
You can just check out and go by the car.
Are you gonna do a card?
Yeah, we could just go right here.
Oh yeah, card?
Yeah.
Can you use
Got Apple.
Alright, thank you. Have a good day.
Is it an Apple Pay? Hi, does it
don't
have?
have it.
You don't have Apple Pay? It's okay.
Oh, sorry, Bubba.
I got a car. We good.
He's actually a baby. He's only 8 months old.
He's only 8 months.
8, 9 months. Yeah.
He's so cute. What's his name?
Hado?
Please, would you like that?
This ain't my dog, man. Oh, I tried to act like it was my dog for a second. When you started asking for names, that's TMI right there.
Wait, this your dog?
No, that's our friend's dog.
Oh.
He's
He was in the
Oh, he's
bathroom.
in here.
This sucker, if I don't hold him like this, he'll jump.
Oh.
He'll jump.
Cute.
We done?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Have a
Y'all
great day. Thank you. Yeah. Yo, go ahead, yo.
Oh, there he is, right there.
Coming?
Okay, he opened it.
하봉, come here. 하봉스. 하봉, 일로 와. He just loves you with all his heart.
훅 들어가 훅 너도 모르게 들어가 훅